Hello everyone, welcome to HoneyDryBag 132nd live stream. My name is Shan. After I introduce to you guys about our products, home selling products, we're gonna take you guys. We're gonna move our live stream to our workshop, to our factory workshop, to show you guys not only how we produce, how we manufacture it, but also we want to let you guys know all about our products and also about our factory's strengths. So before we begin to introduce our products, in case they have new visitors coming in our live stream, I'm gonna introduce to you guys about our company first. HoneyDryBag was founded in 2004, and we specialize in triathlon and outdoor products like open water swim buoy. It's very essential for open water swimming, and running soft flask is also a very practical stuff for running, long time running like a marathon, like trail running, like hiking. You can also use it to keep hydration. And we also have waterproof backpacks and dry bags. Also, it's very essential and practical products for outdoor and water sports, because it will keep your personal stuff dry and clean. We also have a home fitness aqua ball and aqua bag. Our aqua ball and aqua bag can add or remove water to control its capacity. So if you have one, it's one size fit all. You don't have, you can save lots of expenses in traditional equipment, exercise equipment, of course. So this is our main products, and our customers are mainly European countries. We supply distributors and wholesalers, retailers, like a store or Amazon. We have a complete lots of set of solutions and saving the experience to serve you guys. And our company was founded in 2004. We have exporting experience more than 70 years, and our factory have more than 5,000 square meters, and we have 100 employees in total, and lots of advanced equipment for producing the products. We also have a research and development elite team to help you to customize your products, to help you to build your own brand and raise your brand awareness. We also have a very professional quality control department. Like we have strict procedures. If the QCs, the quality control department, they inspect the raw material before they enter our warehouse, and they also inspection during the production. Of course, they will inspection when the products are done. So we have also can customize not only the products color, and also can customize your design according to your design. We also accept OEM and ODM service. So we are the perfect one for you if you want to do business like open water swimming, like triathlon and outdoor products. So next one, let's move to the products. Today we will introduce a lot of products to you guys, because like I just said, after we introduce the products, then we will move our live stream to the workshop to show you guys our workers how to manufacture your products. So it's very professional. And stay with us. And first, I'm gonna introduce to you guys the open water swimming buoy is very essential and holding fairly in the European market. Open water swimming. I'm holding two style of a swim buoy. On my left hand, this is nylon coated PVC, and on the right hand is PVC material. So we mainly have two material to manufacture to make the swim buoy. First, let me introduce the difference between the two materials. Sorry about we have to cover our customer's logo to according to the agreement, and so this one I'm holding is nylon material. We call it a nylon coated PVC material because they have two layers. The outer layer is nylon fabric. The inner layer is PVC material like this one, because they have a glue to glue them together, because the outer layer is nylon and the inner layer is PVC. On the right hand, the PVC material, as you can see, is pure PVC. So the difference between those two materials is nylon material is anti-scratch, because nylon fabric is very durable, as you guys can know, it's very durable and it's anti-scratch. So the PVC material, on the other hand, is not anti-scratch, not durable like the nylon one. And the second difference is nylon material have a wide range of colors, because the outside is nylon fabric. If you want something special for your open water swimming, you want to give your team or your customers a different experience, you can customize different patterns. We can order the nylon fabric first, then you send us your design. We can print in your design on the fabric, then we can make the buoy. But so you get a very special swim buoy, but the PVC material can't do that. If you want it have a color or pattern, you have to printing on it. So it's another difference. And also the third difference is also the fabric can make different colors. The last one is the pattern, and the colors the third one. So nylon fabric is very strong. So next, I'm gonna introduce the products to you guys. This is the PVC material, and this is the display of the front side. They have a wall here to inflating or deflating the air, the buoy, and they have a ceiling line here, like the dry bag design, roll up design to closure the buoy, and they have a buckle here. The other side of the buoy, we have two hooks connected to the leash, and the leash connects to the waist strap. Those two accessories were hot pressing to the PVC material, and we're gonna show you how to do it after we move our live stream to the workshop. So this is 0.35 milliliter PVC material. So let me inflate it. This will be very special because it's customized design. Normally it's have a long tube wall, and this one is two-layer wall. This one is mostly used on nylon fabric. As you guys can see, they didn't have any leakage, even I didn't close the cap here, because it's auto lock air. They have two layers. The first layer is for inflating the second layer, if I unscrew, the air will leak out. And this swim buoy have a dry bag version. If you want to put your belongings in the dry bag, you have to put the belonging in it first, then you inflate the buoy. If you inflate the buoy first, you didn't have space to put your personal belongings in it. So what I demonstrated is a mistake. If you want to put your personal belongings, you have to put it first. Normally, if you put something in it, you unscrew, roll down the ceiling, and buckle this buckle. Then this is how it's done. The next, you got unbuckle this waist straps and attach to your waist. This is adjustable waist strap. I think it's a little short for me. I have to adjust it a little longer. Okay. When I put it on my waist, then you can go to swimming. Okay. Then come to the deflating part. You just unscrew the first layer. The water will come out by itself. Then you unbuckle this. Let the air fully came out. Then you fold the buoy neatly, and it's only take this space. Okay, one of our advantages I think is didn't take a lot of space. It will save lots of freight cost for you if you order from us, because it's deflating will take only little space. And this is the PVC one. The PVC, and next is the nylon one. This design have 3 winding handles for easy grab. If you swimming in the water, you want to have a rest. You probably have a rest. It's easy for you to grab the buoys, because the buoy can provide some buoyancy for you if you need them. And this is the front side of it. This is local printing area, because this side stay above the surface, and this is under the surface when you're using them. As you guys can see, it only have one wall here. It means it only have one dry bag, one air bag. And the back of the buoy, they only have a webbing here attached to the hook. Then the hook attached to the leash to the waist strap. So this one is a very basic one. It don't have a dry bag to store your personal belongings. If you want to use it, you just unscrew the first layer and inflating. Then the water won't leak out even if I didn't unscrew the cap. As you guys can see, our swim buoy are all made very brightly colored. It's because it's very essential to let others support your position when you in open water swimming, because open water swimming could be very dangerous. They because not only you don't have something to grab when you want to rest, but also you may encounter some different emergencies. Like they have boats, move around along the surface. If they didn't see you, you might get crushed. And so the swim boys are all made of high visibility to let more people notice you were swimming in this area, to let the dangers stay away from you. And also the orange color is also the shark is afraid of the orange color, because so most of the swim boys are made of high visibility colors. And like I said, it also comes providing buoyancy if you needed them, because you may get tired after long training or swimming. You can hold on this buoy to get a little rest. Okay, let me move to the next one. If you wanted to deflating this buoy, you just screw, because this one didn't have a dry bag. Then the water will come out. You can see they have a very big hole for easy deflating. It's very convenient. Also very little, very small, take a little small space. And this is the standard package, of course, to pack the buoys. The next one I'm going to introduce is a very hard selling style. This is the front side of the buoy. They have a plastic handles here and a double layer plastic wall. And this is the other side of the buoy. Also is the same. As you guys can see, it have two walls. It means they have two airbags, two handles for easy grabbing. And this one, they have a storage dry bag. You can put your personal belongings in it. This one is made of nylon coated PVC material. You can see the outside is nylon fabric, inside is PVC material. So it's 0.30. It's also 0.35 thickness material made of this board. And the difference between, they also have a ceiling here, like they have double ceiling around the buoy. So let me demonstrate how to use it. I pretend that this is my personal belongings. You can also, cause this is 20 liters capacity. It's enough to holding your personal clothes and energy bars or energy powders, phones, cards, lots of stuff. It's totally enough for this. 20 liters. After you put in your personal belongings in here, you just roll down this ceiling area like the dry bag, like 3 or 4 times. They have a instruction line here tell you how far you can roll down the ceiling. you buckle this buckle, and the next one you're going to inflate the buoy. Because it have two airbags, that means we recommend you're inflating those two airbags evenly because two airbags often means it's a double safety proof. Because if one bag accidentally leak, you still have another airbag to support you to let people know you was in here. So, okay, good. Unscrew the cap to stop the air leak out. Then you have this leash here. You go through this, and they have a hole here. This is the waist strap. The waist strap goes through this hole, and I have to adjust the length of the waist strap. Then you can attach to your waist. Then you can go to swim. Because the advantage of the swim buoy with dry bag is because it not only is can storage your personal belongings like essential stuff you need during the competition, but also it you can put your phone in it, and it will record your training routine and training details to better improve your swimming, improve your training. If you want to deflate it, you just unscrew the buckle or unscrew the bolt. And another side. Then you can take out your personal belongings. After you're done, we recommend you fold it and store it in dry places from directly sunshine. If they have something, they have dirt on it, it's very easy to clean. Like PVC and nanomaterial is very easy to clean. Okay, the next one is also a special one because we only put special one to demonstrate, to introduce to you guys. They have a brochure here. You can also customize the instructions or your company's information, or you want your customers to see or whatever you want to customize. We can providing you with these services, and also this is our customized products. They have our customer's logo on. They have to cover it up. So this is the front side of the buoy. It's 28 liters. So the previous one, this one is 20 liters, and this one is 28 liters. So it's a little bigger than that one. This is the front side, and they use different work here. This is the back side of the Buoy. They didn't have a plastic handle here because it's not very convenient. Instead they have attached a webbing here to connect the leash and the waist strap. Around the Buoy, they have two webbing handles for easy grabbing. Another difference about this material is because this one is actually made from rPET material. It's recycled material from plastic bottles. So because more and more customers care about our plant and care about the earth, so they want to do their part to reduce the pollution or reduce the cost. So this rPET material is recycled from it's very recyclable and made from the plastic bottles. So it's very eco-friendly, and it's also the training for in the future, I think, because it's environmental friendly. So this material actually not, you can't see the difference from this two material. It's just but this one is made of the plastic bottles. Like I said, the work is different, and they also have a storage dry bag here for you to store your personal belongings. And this side is adjustable leash and adjustable waist straps. So this work is a little different from previous ones because it's also is anti-locking system. If you want to inflating the air in, you just blow it. Because it have two words here, it means it's a pure air bag. I have to inflating it evenly. So I inflating this another air bag. So this also the air won't leak out. Auto locking air system. You just put the cap back and this side. You can see the 28 liters is where it's compared to this one. To 20 liters is very large, and it can storage your personal loss of your personal belongings. This buckle is also a customized buckle. It have a whistle here because open water swimming take in the open water, it could be very dangerous, and this vessel is very essential. It's very practical accessories if you in need of help. If you it's very loud, it will let others quickly know your position is, it's also very essential. And if you want to deflate it, you have to push down this. If I stop pushing, they have a spring here. If I stop pushing, they will bouncing back, and they're going to have air leakage. I have to keep pushing, then the air will leak out. This one is PET material. It's recyclable. If you want to learn more, you can contact us or leave a message. You can find us in Facebook or LinkedIn or our website or Alibaba. We have a professional specialist to answer your questions. Okay, that's it. That's the swing buoy I'm gonna introduce to you guys. The next one is a different category I'm gonna introduce. It's dry bag, because we are doing swing buoys and the dry bags. Dry bag is very essential or practical gear. If you doing water sports, it can keep your personal stuff dry because it's totally waterproof. And if you go hiking or camping, then you do not have to afraid the water will go in. It will keep your personal belongings safe and sound. So this one, we call it dry bag. They have a window here, and you can see it can easily see what's in the bags, because most of dry bags are not transparent like this one. It didn't transparent. So lots of they have customers, they want to see what's in the bags. So we made this special one for them. And this also hot pressing plastic handle here for easy lifting your bag. Let me set the bag for you to check. This dry bag is made of 500 inner PVC component. So after you put your gears in the bag, this is a sealing line. You just align and roll down 3 or 4 times, and then you buckle this buckle. So they have a handle for you to carry this bag. If you a little tired when you have a backpack there. And they also have a one webbing shoulder straps. It's also adjustable, the length. You just attach to the hook. And this one, we recommend it you attach to this side of the hook, and then you can easily the backpack. Okay, they have a transparent window here. You can see clearly what's in the bag. So let me introduce this material first, because lots of people probably didn't know what is tarpaulin or what is PVC tarpaulin material. PVC tarpaulin material is when we talk about its structure, it has 3 layers. The inner layer, the middle layer is like a webbing, like a fabric. The outer layer and the inner layer is PVC layer. So it has 3 layers together, and 3 layers can provide anti-scraping and tear resistance. It's very durable and also waterproof, because the outer layer and the inner layer are made of PVC material. It's totally waterproof and durable and scratch, not anti-scratch. It's tear resistance. So this material is perfect material for waterproof products. It's very common in the market, and also like heavy duty can give you a very assurance, because it's coated is very like a heavy duty material. And so we can customize different capacity. Most we customize different diameter of the dry bag, because here we have a small capacity can compare to that. We also can customize this packaging. It's all cut packaging. For you, if you want to sell in the store, you can easily hang on this. So it's well displayed, and more customers will notice these products. We have lots of other packaging we customize. If you contact us, we can talk further details. As you guys can see, this one is a small dry bag, right? And the diameter is different. Also, the length is different. And the third difference is in the material. This one is 500D tarpaulin, PVC tarpaulin. This one is the outside is fabric. Also, the inner set is PVC. We also can compose it with TPU material, because TPU is more and more popular, because it's very environmental to our environmental material, and so we can also customize this inner coating with TPU material. We also have this different one. So this one is made of ripstop material on the outside. It's actually made from nylon material. It's we coat it ripstop fabric, and the inner we coat it with TPU material, because TPU have a lot of characteristics better than PVC material. But also the cost will be a little higher than PVC material. And this one is tariff fabric on site. So we can cut do different fabric coated PVC or TPU, or PVC tarpaulin. So, and this is our main material we can provide it to your needs. But we have a lot of, we can, like I said, we have lots of experience in customized services. If you have other demands, we can talk and we can talk further details. So, like this packaging, we can customize different packaging. Okay.
Thank you for coming to our live stream today, and we see you next week.
Yeah, see you next week. Bye.